Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Enter tonight is the night of the Zarbat of that person who is Waliullah, who is Khalifullah, who is Asadullah, who is Khatam al-Awsiya, who is Ashraf al-Awsiya, the one who is the successor of Rasulullah. Tonight you are coming in to welcome the shahada of that person around whom our entire entity rotates. Make sure your mode and your behavior and your akhlaq suggest that you are from those people who are weeping from Amir al-Mu'mineen. When you sit to do your iftar, make sure your mood is the mood of a person who is losing or has lost his father. When you sit tonight for iftar, remember that iftar of Amir al-Mu'mineen after Maghrib, when he went to the house of Kulthum, and his iftar consisted of water and a piece of bread. Allah, tradition says, when Amir al-Mu'mineen went into Masjid al-Kufa to recite the final salat, before he went into the mosque, Kulthum was anxious. She would see that Amir al-Mu'mineen would look up towards the sky every now and then, and he would say, Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. The narration says he would look up towards the sky and he would say, Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Kulthum would say to him, Ya Abata, what is it that you come out every now and then and you look up towards the sky? Amir al-Mu'mineen looks at Kulthum and he says, Wallah, this is the night that my beloved brother Rasulullah promised me. Tonight is the night that I am going to meet my Lord. Amir al-Mu'mineen went into Masjid al-Kufa. He gave the adhan and the iqamah, and then this La'in ibn La'in came and he struck Amir al-Mu'mineen on the head. Amir al-Mu'mineen falls to the ground. Imam Hassan and the Hussein came and went. They put Amir al-Mu'mineen's head on his lap. Imam al-Hassan, he wipes the blood from the face of Amir al-Mu'mineen. He says, Oh Father, who struck you with the sword? He says, Oh Father, who has dyed your beard with blood? Amir al-Mu'mineen looks at him and he smiles. He says, this is my final departure before I meet my Lord. The Maqtal states that because of the amount of blood Amir al-Mu'mineen had lost, he was not able to walk. So Imam Hassan and Imam Hussein, they put Amir al-Mu'mineen's arms around their shoulders. Imam Hassan and Hussein walking, Amir al-Mu'mineen dragging his feet. Take your heart to Masjid al-Kufa. You are walking behind Imam Hassan and Imam Hussein. They are carrying Amir al-Mu'mineen. As soon as they get to the door of the house, Amir al-Mu'mineen says to Imam Hassan, Oh Bunayya ya Hassan, let me walk by myself from here. Imam Hassan says, Ya Abba. He says, Oh Father, you do not have enough strength to walk. Amir al-Mu'mineen says, Allah ya shi'a. Amir al-Mu'mineen says, but Zainab is standing at the door. Amir al-Mu'mineen says to Hassan, Zainab is standing at the door. Zainab has seen me as a Haydar. For Zainab I am a father and a mother. For Zainab I am the one who lifted the door of Khaybar. If Zainab sees the one who lifted the door of Khaybar like this, Zainab will not bear. I say, forgive me, Mawlana Amir al-Mu'mineen, but you are worried about Zainab seeing you in this state. Ya Amir al-Mu'mineen, come to Karbala when the head of Sayyid al-Shuhada is be. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un wa la'natullahi ala a'da'ihim ajma'in.